Hello guys, this video is all about the env file. So I would like to share you my env file. This is the env file and it contains your Amazon account email and password. So make sure that you enter a valid Amazon account email and password. So these are necessary. Otherwise, if you for example, if you have deleted when I start this application and you don't have any sort of credentials stored in your env file, so keep in mind that this application is not started. You have to put your valid uh, username, email, Amazon email, and your password. Okay, so otherwise this application will not work. This will never initiate any kind of scrapping or automation process. So please make sure you have an env file and it was placed inside your directory structure. Okay, so I'm not gonna leak my login credentials. I have only one Amazon account. Even I'm not an Amazon seller, but I usually develop things for Amazon, so I need that. So please make sure you have the credentials. And if you have not there is no env file, so you will notice this when you start this application. It will show you please add an env file and Amazon account email. Okay, so it will show you this kind of error and it will never initiate any kind of uh, scrapping operation. So this video is required, so that's why I'm created this. Thank you.